Welcome back to John Kleis Car Audio's YouTube channel. Today this video is about a SKODA Yeti we have behind me. Extremely popular car, unfortunately discontinued now, but the owners love them and want to hold on to them. And this unit has had a factory stereo go faulty. So if you're watching this video because you've got a problem with your faulty SKODA radio, whether it's a touchscreen stopped working, whether the sound stopped working, or whether it's in a continuously boot loop where it just comes up with a SKODA logo and reboots, then this is a solution for you. We've installed a KENWOOD DMX8021. I'm going to run through it right now. This is a spec Yeti where it's got a multi-function steering wheel, factory rear parking sensors. We put a SKODA logo on it as well, just to keep it more in keeping with it. Sorry about the fingerprints, but I have been using this unit quite a bit for demonstration purposes. This has got wireless Android Auto. Customer's phone's actually down there already. That's going to automatically connect up to the unit very shortly. So I'll show you what Android Auto works like. We normally show Apple CarPlay on our videos because we're all Apple users here. But this is actually a good demonstration of Android Auto. The unit has automatically kicked the customer in. Now if I go back to the home screen, that's the home screen of the KENWOOD, so it's obviously got DAB radio. This SKODA was a slightly older SKODA Yeti, so it didn't have DAB. So to get DAB, we fitted a small little antenna on the glass right there, which you can see. It's quite a subtle antenna, just in your peripheral vision on your left. We installed a microphone up here as well, which my finger's pointing at right now. Now wireless Android Auto is automatically kicked in, so I'm going to show you that first. I'm going to kick into Android Auto. This is how the customer's now got access to Spotify music, BBC Sounds internet radio, their phone calls and Waze satellite navigation. As well as, if I go to the home screen again, we've now got access to Google Maps as well if you prefer to use Google Maps. We've got split screen as well, so you can have your BBC Sounds on the left and Waze on the right. You've got Google Voice, which works, or if you touch the screen, you get full screen Google Maps or Waze as well. Android Auto is fantastic. It's Android's answer to obviously Apple CarPlay. The unit does come with a USB-C connection. Now, if you've got a SKODA Yeti, you will know that your connection down here is USB-A. We've taken the USB-A connection out and put USB-C in there instead, because that's what the connection comes with. So it keeps it more factory looking rather than having adapters or leads hanging out the car. Actually, USB-C is flush mounted in here. Unit comes with a 3-year warranty, being a DMX8021, so when we register it, you've got peace of mind. This customer's actually come all the way, 3-hour journey to get here, all the way from east of England, so it's really nice that customers travel so far to get these solutions done. Reason why, the customer wanted everything to work as standard, so if I put it in reverse, for example, customer has the optical parking sensor option on this vehicle, so when someone walks behind, he's going to get the bubbles behind the vehicle. Not in front because the customer hasn't got front parking sensors, but if he did, he'd get the bubbles around the front as well. We can also retain use of your factory reverse camera if you have that option as well. And because it's got the climatronic climate settings, whenever you adjust the climatronic option, you're going to also get the climate option come up on the screen. Now, even if I hit the heated seat, look, the seat goes red and then goes lesser red the lighter the temperature is. Real nice integration there, and obviously right hand drive as well on the screen, not left hand drive in the wrong, which is quite nice because it's more completely integrated to the SKODA Yeti heater control as well. Don't think he even had that on his factory system as well, which is quite a nice little addition. Not needed, but it's cool. All your steering wheel controls work as well. Volume up and down, track up and down, mute, answer calls. The only thing that's different is you no longer get access to all your phone calls in the instrument cluster here. It all comes up on Android Auto on the screen, okay? Anyway, that is the SKODA Yeti with the KENWOOD DMX8021 fitted. My name is Connor. We have Jason who fitted it. Great job. And from all the team at John Kleis Car Audio, hope to see you soon. See you later.